Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a Windows-style dialog box effect in CapCut to make your videos more interactive. Let's use this video as an example. To start, drag the video onto the timeline. Go to the Stickers tab in the toolbar. Scroll to the icon category and browse for a sticker that looks like a Windows dialog box. Select one and add it to the timeline. Position the sticker layer where you want the dialog box to appear in your video. Adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the sticker clip on the timeline. Resize and reposition the sticker on the preview screen to fit naturally. To make the effect dynamic, add an animation. Click the animation option and choose from entrance, exit, or loop effects. Tweak the timing or placement if needed. Preview your video to ensure the dialog box appears and behaves as intended. And that's it. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tricks. Happy creating!